to Two Nuts Old Ladies. I'm Jeanette,
And I'm Brenda.
and today we're making a recipe called Easy Refrigerated Pickles. Now, this recipe is, you're a guinea pig. We're going to try it out. We're going by the recipe. It is not one I've ever used. My mom used to make refrigerated pickles.
Did you like them?
Yeah, well, I love pickles.
Well,
Pickles are pickles. I love pickles. Some people don't like pickles, some people do. And my family were pickle people. That's kind of funny.
I like pickles on my sandwiches.
Yeah, I used to eat with snacks. The big ones were my favorite.
We're making baby ones today.
Today we're gonna make ones that we're gonna put on our hamburgers. Now, we went to the orchard and picked these, and we decided we'd try this. Since we can't find my mom's recipe, then what we'll do is we'll find one that's close, and we thought we'd try it out, and we'd show you what we did. Brenda sliced every one of these. God bless her.
But we had a nice mandolin that worked good today, so.
We did. We got the right mandolin. We had another episode where we had horrible mandolin experiences. 3 of them guys went to the trash. 3 of them. 3. That's bad.
So what I did was I laid wax paper out on the counter and made them one layer, and then I sprinkled them with kosher salt. And you're supposed to let them set for 1 to 2 hours, and it's supposed to crisp them up better. So we let it set for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. We rinsed them off in cold water. They still tasted salty, so we decided to do an ice bath, and that drew the salt out. Jeanette knew that, but I didn't know that would work, but it did. So now they're not so salty because we're going to add salt to the mixture, the brine that they're going to be pickling in.
It's funny that I know this. It's because when I was younger, I worked in restaurants. My family were cooks, and being young, you would go in and did all the cleanup and help and stuff. And I would ask, "Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that?" So
Good thing you asked questions.
Yeah, I've been told that.
So I'm going to be making the brine. So
I'm gonna drain this, and while she's making the brine, I'm gonna drain this, and then I'll be back.
And the brine is really, really simple, really easy. It's just 2 cups of vinegar, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, because we're doubling the recipe right now. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a little bit of vinegar in the bowl and the salt, because we have to have it dissolved. So it'll be easier to dissolve with less liquid. So measure out 1 cup to begin with. Put the kosher salt in the bowl. And I'm going to put just a little bit of liquid in. And I'm going to mix this up. And hopefully it dissolves quickly. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. This could take a while. But I'm going to hand this stuff to Jeanette so she can start working on the jars.
Whoa. Well, I woke everybody up. Okay, we got a couple of mason jars here. I'm just going to do a couple of them just to give you an idea of what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is, I got some fresh dill. Well, I grow dill, but we happen to be out of it. We've used it a lot lately. So I went and bought some. So I just bought 3 of them that I'm going to put in. I'm just going to drop them in, just kind of drop them in there. And I'm going to do it on both jars. I'm just going to put them in and kind of just kind of drop them in. Oh, that was already 3. I better not put another one. I almost snuck another one in there.
It'll be very dilly.
Oh, we are very silly today, aren't we? So I have some black peppercorns here. I don't know what that is. Velocite.
Never heard of that.
Smells like black peppers. So I'm just going to take just a few of them. Just a little handful and just drop them in the bottom. You know, like 6. maybe more. Whatever falls out the most. So we'll put those in there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it with cucumbers and get that going so that we can go and get everything ready so that when Brenda's ready to pour everything in, it's all ready to go. And what I'm going to do is, what I did was I dumped all of them out. We're just going to throw them in. Just kind of just toss them in. My hands are clean, so don't even say that. I know what y'all are thinking. Relax. I use soap and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill them up with all the cucumbers. The brine that Brenda's making will be poured over it. And then it says that you can, now this recipe says that you can eat it within 24 hours.
Wow. We could try and
Now, my mama's house, you couldn't touch it for 2 weeks.
So,
But I don't know if that was because mom just wanted them to sit longer or what.
So I'm going to heat up some water in the microwave. Is this microwave safe?
I think so. It's Rachel Race stuff, so. Not that she's sponsoring us, but if she wants to. I love talking to her. I love her. I think she would be great fun to meet. I saw her one time in real life. Well, actually, I saw her twice in real life. But I didn't go.
I'm gonna keep stirring. Like Jeanette said, we've never made this before, so.
Not the recipe that I recall. I don't remember the apple cider. That's what I don't remember.
I guess kosher salt doesn't dissolve as easy as table salt. But I like kosher salt better anyway.
And they wanted, and if you use pickling salt, you have to use more.
More
I
salt?
think so. Yeah, I'm not sure. It gave you a choice of pickling salt, kosher salt, or sea salt.
Sea salt or kosher salt.
So I was like, well, we have
But
kosher
just
salt.
remember, it doesn't dissolve easy.
So my attitude was, oh, we have kosher salt. So guess what we're going to use? We had a lot of it, so I figured we were going to take that one. That,
That's odd. So,
just don't bump into me. I feel like I don't really have a care in the world. He's walking around in hot water.
I gotta remember how much water I put. Okay, that's 1 cup. You have to have 2 cups of water.
You want another cup of hot water?
I think that's.
I can heat one up for you.
I don't think I need.
I mean, I don't use the microwave real often, and everybody makes fun of me, but I do know
You know
how to
what?
heat up water.
See, look at that. It's almost
It's
amazing.
amazing. It's science. I'm telling you.
So, I need 1 more cup of apple cider vinegar.
One more cup of water.
Yes, that would be great. Thank you.
Sorry. Slow as. Well,
Yep.
I'll watch it kind of spill for that.
Doesn't.
I made
Water's-
a mess again.
Water's okay.
I told you, I'm not nuts.
It doesn't say to, but I like using a whisk too. I was just using the spoon just to try to dissolve the salt, which was not working. So hot water worked great. So,
She just likes using a whisk. I'm
I
a
do.
spoon person. I never use a whisk.
I
She uses a whisk on everything. I use a spoon on everything.
just like it to be mixed up really, really good. I just feel better about it. That's all.
It's just funny how you just sort the utensils.
Okay, the brine is ready.
Here is your jars, man. I have put cucumbers in them. I have put the peppercorns. You can see them. See there? You can see them at the bottom. Oh, sorry, God. You can see them at the bottom. I've got the dill in there. You can see it. It's all through.
And what we found is the salt on the cucumbers, it made them a little bit greener, more like pickles.
And guys, the cold bath, just for the record, made them come back. They weren't as wet. They're a little bit A little bit crispy.
So I need 4 to 2 cups, right?
Keep pouring. You're only a fourth there. Keep
I
going.
don't want to take any of your brine. I don't want to be a hog, a brine hog. That's not going to cover it. We're going to have to make more. They should be covered.
They should be covered. You gotta don't measure. You gotta keep pouring.
Well, I was seeing if that would
Well,
work.
that's good.
Okay. So I'm going to have to heat up some more water.
So I would make another. I would pour that and see how much we got in there. That's what I would do. But you can do what you want.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Mine has more pickles, just remember that. My bottle does.
It doesn't matter whose bottle it is. She picked more pickles, guys. You gotta help me here. She's picking on me. She picked out which one was hers because it had more pickles. That means she's gonna take it to her house. So anyway, so it looks like that we got enough. Now, you're not supposed to do it that way. Let me show you some.
Oops.
My mama used to do this when she can't, and she said you're supposed to do this, and if you put it to the side and push, the air bubbles will come up. So what you do is you do it
tip.
down. I don't know if that really is true, but that's what they said. I mean, that's what my grandma and my mom did. So, but you would do that with like even when you were canning green beans or anything.
Or fruit or anything.
Now, guys, temporarily we don't have lids, so what we're doing is we'll have lids tomorrow, but due to that it's a holiday, we're not going out shopping. We're going to put saran wrap and aluminum foil over it so we can get it in the fridge tonight, and then I'll go buy the lids in the morning. And then I really think we ought to wait we'll try them tomorrow, but I think we really ought to wait probably leave one of them in there for a week without touching it.
Okay.
And then try one tomorrow and see what we think.
Okay.
That's what I think.
I like that idea. Some foil.
Sorry.
Thank you.
I have to do it wrong.
We can just tear this in half.
But she has a lot more patience with this stuff, guys, than I do.
Well, you made it taunt, so.
I'm not sure I used the right word. I'm not even you know what? I don't even know where these jars came from. I found them in the cabinet.
Well, they came in handy for our pickles.
But apparently they had something in them. I'm sure it was something my mom brought out when she was living in the Midwest. So guys, we have refrigerator pickles here. But they're not refrigerated yet, so they're not pickles. So we're going to refrigerate them. We'll get back to you in a different episode on how they turned out. If you like the video, press like below. Even better, you know there's a word subscribe below, and they can press it, and they can subscribe and watch us.
That would be great.
Maybe it become awesome if people actually interested in the video.
That
They
would.
actually care what we did. But anyway, guys, got any comments? Go ahead and put it below. And want to say thanks, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Peace out.
Yes.
Hi guys, 6 days since we did the pickle recipe. Got the cucumbers, put them in the fridge for 6 days. The recipe said you could eat them after 24 hours. I've always had a recipe that was, my mom had, but it said 2 weeks. So it's 6 days, we're just going to try them and see what you think, see what we think.
Let's see if they need to stay in longer then.
I'm going to get a little.
I'm just going to get what I can out of there because it's not cooperating. Okay, ready?
Holy crap, they're done.
There. I think they're done.
I think after 24 hours you can eat them. They are definitely dill. I didn't expect the dill to be that strong.
I taste
It
vinegar.
It did. Is
I just taste vinegar. That's all I taste.
that what you taste?
Yeah. I just taste
You know the
vinegar.
worst part? I'm gonna try another one. No, I taste the dill. Oh, that one. Oh, that one's got a lot of vinegar. Oh, now I got one that was from the side, and I could taste the dill. But ooh,
I don't think I like this recipe.
you know what? I think we should put it back in the fridge for a couple more weeks and then see how bad it's gonna kill us. My nephew always gives me those. What are they called? Sour patches, or no? They're worse. It's I don't know, toxic waste or something. It's really bad. He always wants to get it when we go to the movies. Here, Auntie, and my whole face like melted. So sorry. This is on my caliber.
I think we need a new pickle recipe.
Yeah, I think we're gonna. You know what, guys? You get a refrigerator pickle recipe? Let us know.
And we're going to try to fix it and let you know how it works out. Because we're going to try to do something to make it
We're
better.
not gonna fix it. We're gonna give it to people we don't like. Put a bow on it. And say how much we like them and give it to them. Because we're
That would be mean.
giving is the best thing you could ever do.
That would be mean.
All right.
That would be
I
really mean.
Well, maybe my nephew, because it would just be a payback.
Okay. For a joke.
Yeah,
For a joke.
little L, stop talking, because we're gonna see how bad your face gets rolled in.
And we're going to find a new pickle recipe.
And in the meantime, if you have a pickle recipe that is a refrigerator pickle, and you think it's that great, why don't you send it to us? If you got a little story, tell us a little story about it. We'll be glad to share your little story on here, and we'll make your recipe and go from there. And that way, then you can have your little story told just like everybody else. In the meantime, if you like our video, press like at the bottom, and even better, there's a subscribe button. You can subscribe. You could actually become part of our little channel. We would love to have you on our team. Anyway, for now, let's on a sour note. Peace out, guys.
Bye.